my channel. Your girl is probably running on borrowed time with her battery on her camera, so this video might be a little fast motion. I wanted to start this video first by thanking you guys for the lovely comments on my back to school video. You guys, I was reading it with my daughter and I almost got teary-eyed, so I see all of your comments on all the videos and everything. It may take me like a day or so to get back with you or reply, but your girl's on it. I see it all. Muchos besos to all you guys. This video is another ratchet shout out video. No, for real. Yeah, today is Saturday. Your girl is like lazy. But this is a what's in my bag video. I did the unboxing of this bag a couple of months ago when I got this bag, but I don't think that I actually did a what's in my bag lately. So I wanted to do this for you while I'm watching over here the battery on this camera. So first and foremost, this is the Dooney Bourke Emerson Shannon Tote. It is the large one. I do like large bags. It took me a long time. I kept this in the shopping cart online because I wasn't sure if the dimensions were right, if it was small, this and the other, because your girl is petty and picky. So I actually got out my what do you call those, a measuring tape, and I did the dimensions, and I was like, okay, this will work. So I ordered it. I got it like 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago. God, I am shut out. It's been Saturday, you guys, so I've been doing a lot of sleeping today. So I'm going to show you. I got it in the color black, and it is heavy right now. It does have feet at the bottom, and I love this bag. I haven't used the Dooney Bourke bag since I was like 15. But my friend Shaquana on here, how do you say it? Kind of convinced me. It does have the brass buckle in the front that says Dooney Bourke, and the only thing you do is you slide it in like this and you slide it out. Okay, so first things first, I have some Kate Spade sunglasses. The case is down here. They should always be in the case. This is the case. I'll hand these to my daughter to put in.
I'm behind the camera.
If you guys have been with me for a while, you know that I am super petty on stuff that needs to match. Me personally. So I did get the matching wallet. It does have the Dooney brass thingamajiggy here, and it does have the zipper with red inside. And then it does or can hold checkbook and all your goodness in there. Get a keychain if I can get it. It is the brass. It's getting a little scratched up, but it's keys. But I love it. And it does have the hook on it, so those are keys. Inside also is an iPhone case that you can clip onto your pants or whatever. It does have a magnetic clip to it for your iPhone. Let's see, we have a hair clip. Gotta have plenty of those, you guys. I very rarely leave my hair down, but if you see me in the video with my hair down, you never see the back of my hair. My hair actually touches my behind. Yes, my hair is very long. This is why it's always bunched up. I do have a Joby tripod, best tripod. And why do I have a tripod, you ask? Because I have a vlogging camera that I'm yet to really use. This was one that I did an unboxing, I think, for. This is my vlogging camera. I'm in love with this camera. As the top pops up, and while you're vlogging yourself, you can see yourself in the camera. You can see yourself in the screen, and then it goes down and you can vlog. It is a Canon camera. I love it. It's small to fit. I did get it from Best Buy about, I think, 2 months ago. A blotterazzi, face blotting blotterazzi. We have some sanitizer because your girl is a germaphobe from Bath & Body Works. We have a Invisalign case. We have empty Beats by Dre Beats X, because the Beats are on the charger. Some more toothpicks.
Oh boy.
Another toothpick.
Oh boy, again.
A toothbrush.
Traveling toothbrush.
A traveling toothbrush. Some Fiji white sands from Bath and Body Works hand cream. Some Tazo chamomile tea. Why do I have this in there? Who the hell knows? Some brush strips.
Mine.
A hair tie thing. And then last but not least in this Smashbox bag is the iPhone adapter, just in case. I don't know why it's in there, but just in case. And finally, we're into the Dooney Bourke makeup bag. This is the makeup bag that I got when I ordered my purse. I did not get it free. Don't get life twisted. So, oh, my nose ring. I swear I'm not picking my nostrils, you guys. I have a nose ring. Ooh, okay. First and foremost, we might be able to do this on this battery. It's this IT Cosmetics brush set. It does have a magnetic closure to it. And it has all the brushes you may need to carry around. Why, you may say, you have all this makeup in your bag, but you never get on camera wearing any. I promise you guys, I actually wear makeup. If you guys seen my makeup, what's in my makeup, you guys see all that mess that I do have, and I do wear it, but it always ends up being when I'm filming, I'm not wearing anything. So, first and foremost is my Dior Show go-to staple mascara, as well as the primer for the Dior mascara. We have our Jeffree Star. I love me some Jeffree Star in Rose Madder. I think that's what it says. Your girl's getting kind of old. Her eyeballs like freaking. You guys, I'm like talking really fast with this battery croaks. Too Faced Clover. Kylie Cosmetics. I can't see the color because your girl is a little old, but it has the, I'm showing you like really quick, but here's the lip liner, the kit. A Peter Thomas Ross little mini moisturizing cream for the days that you don't wear makeup. A Hot Poppy Hooker Red Stila lip color.
Okay.
A little Tarte Cosmetic Beauty Blender. A sample of MAC. What is this? Zoom Lash Mascara. You can have never enough mascara. We have a Too Faced lipstick in Pitch Perfect. Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
We have a Sonia Kashuk retractable lip brush. Yet another mascara. Perversion by Urban Decay. Oh my god. And a whole lot of these little these little samples of perfume. I love them. I have like 200, but they're all over the place. So I have Michael Kors. I have Girl Learning. I know I'm butchering that name. Don't kill me. Prada Candy is my favorite. Oh, I would drink this stuff if I wouldn't die. Just kidding, but seriously. Vince Camuto. I have Viva La Juicy. Versace. Okay, I'm not even cute right now. So that is all in here. And here, take this, my assistant. I'm getting to the end. I think my battery is gonna work. And this little pouchy poo here is a Bluetooth earpiece. I love this thingy. It is really, oh god, it is really tiny. And you stick it in your ear. Like, yeah, Bluetooth, you wouldn't stick it in your nose, yeah, your ear, and it's great. And you can listen to music, talk on the phone, whatever you want to do. Let me reach on over here. I hear there's a key, a stylus, I don't know if you could see, is leather, like black leather, and then the bottom here is marigold as well. Blind myself here. You do have a nice giant pocket here with 2 extra pockets, one that zips, then you have your Dooney Bourke tag and all that. Yeah, I was gonna say the size, but let me not. But yeah, I did get it from the DooneyandBourke.com website, so in case you guys are interested, that is the bag, and again, it is in black. So that is it for what's in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed, and on the previous video that I did, There is a back to school giveaway going on my channel. It's going to end August 20th. You have to be a subscriber of the channel, so if you're not already a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And what I'm going to do is I'm giving away a book bag filled with back to school goodies, a whole bunch of stuff. It's going to be a book bag like a unisex color for boy or girl, and it's going to be filled with pens, pencils, notebook paper, all kinds of good stuff. So make sure you head on over to that video that I posted, and their link in the description box will show you where you need to go to enter. And as always, guys, make sure you have a safe 4th of July. Don't drink and drive. Use an Uber or a Lyft. Okay? I appreciate all you guys' comments, loves, and subscribes. So as always, stay blessed, stay safe, and I'll see you guys later. Mwah. Muchos besos. Bye.